So after this, we're going top side, guys. Main bull one. Unless I say so.
Masaya to, guys.
Go, go, go.
Copy that, Dad.
Invading, they're invading. Right side jungle. Where is the right side jungle? I'm
Got a lot
going.
of people
Team
here.
2 help.
Back up, back up,
Heal
back up,
left.
back up, back
Heal.
up, back up. Cyber, Marsha. Back up, back up, back up, back up.
Ulting,
back up.
ulting now,
Give
ulting
that,
now.
Give that.
Ulting, ulting.
Give it.
Dotto siya ako
TB
kagad.
ult, TB ult here. Left side, left side.
Saka na. Iwan nyo na yun, guys. Yung ano
Okay,
na.
main bull
Okay,
one.
sige.
Look on top side. Okay, top side blue.
Jamie, go, go, go. Wipe them, Jamie.
May tumitira na ng tower tabot.
Yeah, I'm gonna pop
Main bull one,
CP.
top side blue, guys. Waiting for
Okay,
defenders,
okay.
waiting for defenders.
Team 2 and 3 go bot. 2 and 3 go bot. Team 1 go mid.
Commit.
Wait for defenders.
2 and 3 go bot.
Main bull one.
Team 1 and 2 should be here now.
Holy shit, masakit. What the fuck? Okay, we're killing them. We're killing them, guys. Nice.
Ay, sa mid ah.
Wala sa mid, yeah, wala sa mid.
Okay, now. Main bull one.
Go here. Go bot.
Okay.
Oh.
Everybody, main bull one, go for top side red now. Top side red. Nag-CP na sila miss, no? Sabi mo? Okay, nag-CP.
Nice set.
Okay, we're going for full damage. Wala kayong defense sa top, Zach, ha? We're going for...
Team 1 go top. Team 1 go top. Team 1 go top.
Go for full damage here. Okay.
May dalawa din sa mid ah.
Okay. Go.
Tao dito sa ano.
Team 3 go bot red. Team 3 go bot red.
Bot red.
Going ba?
Team 3 going bot red.
Tingnan ako dito sa top ah.
May roof sa.
To where?
Ah, ito.
2 mid. Blue mid.
Stormbreaker ult sa bulwark.
Nice one, Joji. Stormbreaker ult ka sa tower,
Name
Joji.
last
Stormbreaker ult on the tower now.
Pulling.
Go all in.
Oh, go bot. Blue bot. Team 3 go bot. Team 2 go mid. Team 1 go top. Default. Everyone go default now.
Gusto na. May MB2.
May shield.
We're going for top side red.
Bot,
Top side
shield.
blue, Top side blue.
Setting now.
Top side blue. Go for the goose, miss.
Di ako makakapunta mid ah. Wait lang,
Sila
di ako
flip
makakapunta mid.
May CP pa ba tayo? Oh, we already casted it. Okay, main bull one, go for bottom blue.
Nasa bot sila eh. Team 2 and 3 go bot. 2 and 3 go bot.
Okay, maloloto.
Sige, mamatay ito. No, they're not gonna be able to burst the tower. Nice.
Parang setup.
Save this tower, guys. Save this tower
Meron
on
tatlo.
bottom. Save this tower on
Marby.
bottom. Nice. Keep them up. Nice. Well
mid.
played. Now, go for
Go mid now. 2 and 3 go mid now.
Go for bottom red, main bull one. Bottom red, main bull one.
Good job, Flick.
Bottom is clear. Zach, you can focus on top and mid.
30 seconds ult.
May papunta dalawa.
Putik yan.
Wala na kaming kalaban dito, Zach. Sa top.
Okay,
Go mid.
Main bull one, go bottom blue. Bottom blue. Stop this guy from destroying this.
Ayang bot na. Babasag
Bot
na.
blue 1.
Nag-desperate surge sila. I don't know where that is. Ingat kayo dyan, miss, ha.
Popping Stormbreaker.
Stop this guy from destroying this tower, guys.
Okay, energy.
Nasa mid pa rin. Set.
Top TV ult.
Copy.
Ulting ako
Okay,
dito sa
okay,
gitna
okay.
namin.
Okay, I'm saving the tower,
Okay.
guys. I'm on the fucking bulwark. Okay, well, bulwark's down. Get ready for jungle, guys.
Jungle,
45
40 seconds, ha?
45 seconds. Okay, let's go to goose, guys. Go to goose.
God.
They can penetrate.
Go to goose. Okay.
Team 3 go goose. Team 3 go goose.
Goose, get ready for
Team 3
jungle,
go
guys.
goose. Team 3 go goose. Okay.
Gusto natin.
30 seconds.
Yeah.
Get
Blue
out,
goose.
get out.
Team
Main bull
3.
you can
Team
stay there.
1 go top.
Going for boss.
Team 2 go mid.
1 and 2 are going for boss. Main bull 3, you can stay there and disturb them.
2 mid.
We're gonna have chickens for this, I think.
Jungle Sora
They do?
and Chang. Popping TB ult mid.
Main ball 3, stay there and disturb them, bro.
Wala, tumatakbo palabas yung dito sa top.
Sino yung chicken sila? Can you guys see what-
Pabos, pabos.
Yeah,
Sword
pabos sila,
tour,
pabos
sword
sila.
tour, sword tour.
Go boss, go boss, go boss. Everyone. Top and mid, go boss.
Tapos, tapos.
It is top side, top side, top side. They got it. Okay, just go for camps, guys. Go for camps, go for camps, go for camps.
Go for
Go
camps.
for camps, go for
Camps,
camps, go for
camps,
camps on red side, red side, red side. Red side, guys, red side, red side, red side. Go for camps on red side.
2 and 3 go mid, 2 and 3 go mid, 1 go top. 2 and 3 go mid, 1 go top.
Go for camps on red side.
2 and 3 go mid, 1 go top.
Dio sa mid.
Dami na sa top ah.
Mo blade on mid.
Nice one, guys, nice one, nice one. Okay, now. Go for goose, guys, go for goose.
Fucking Stormbreaker ult.
Change build na, Joji.
TTB ko tong nasa top ah.
Go. Papasag na.
Anti-heals ready?
1, 2 and 3, go goose now. Disengage. Go goose.
We have Mobley.
Go goose now.
Okay,
Main.
Mobley don't close to the goose, okay? Close to the goose. Can you see the
I have
goose, guys?
CP,
Can
I
you
still
see the
have
goose?
CP.
Key shields up, we're going for
1, 2 and 3, go
Mobley
goose. 1, 2 and 3, go
2,
goose. 1, 2
1,
and 3,
key
go
shields up
goose.
and Mobley don't close to the goose. Close to the goose. Just close to the goose, guys. Close to the goose. Anti-heals here, anti-heals. Another Mobley is coming. We're going in 3, 2.
Focus on the nameless, ah.
Anti-heals,
Focus on the
anti-heals,
nameless,
Jamie. Anti-heals, close to the goose. Just close to the goose, guys. Goose is in the middle, guys. Goose in the middle.
Popping CP now. Go set, ah. Go set if you can.
Top side of the point, guys.
G-shield, give me G-shield.
Okay, Mobley don't close to the goose, guys.
Ulting mid.
Okay, ulting TB now. On L.
Nice one, guys. Nice one.
Kaping heals ako. Kaping pa na sa'yo ult ha.
Go.
Mamatay ako ah.
Dead mid.
Paano sa'yo ult?
Okay.
Nice. Good rest.
We're going into the close to the goose in 3, 2, 1. Close to the goose. Mobley don't close to the goose. Close to the goose. Look at this fucking damage, guys. Look at this damage.
TB ult top dito sa goose.
Give me anti-heals, guys.
Follow the direction of the goose, ah. Don't forget to follow the direction of the goose and use your gongs. Healer,
That's
use
big
your
damage
gongs.
to the goose, guys. There's more damage to the goose. Nice one, guys. Nice one.
Stop.
Nice one, guys. Good shit, guys.
Heal, I need heal.
Goose, don't let the goose just run around, guys. Nice one, guys. Good shit, guys. That's
Stormbreaker ult.
rotation. Next TP,
Follow
go
the
for
direction of the
Mobley
goose.
good.
The direction of the goose.
They cast TP.
Mo blade
Mid
ult.
ghost, mid
Go
ghost.
for PvP for now.
Mo blade ult.
Good shit, guys. Okay, TP is about to go down. In 3, 2, 1. Close to the goose. On the middle, guys. On the
G-shield.
middle.
I need G-shield.
On the middle. G-shield up.
G-shield mid.
Let's
Anyone?
go. Mobley don't- let's
Okay, go.
Okay, fucking anti-heals,
Popping
anti-heals,
TB mid. Popping TB mid.
Look at this shit, guys. Look at the shit. Nice one, guys. Goose is about to go
5
down.
seconds yung Mobley.
Goose is down.
Follow the goose,
Nice.
ah.
Good shit, guys.
CP in 2 minutes. I have CP in 2 minutes.
They're trying to kill you. Can we get close to the goose and fucking go close to the tree and gong them out? Oh, that's a twin blade, it's fine.
G-shield.
11 seconds.
Anyone? G-shield, anyone?
G-shield, I will pop
Okay. I'm setting up, ah. Go. Mobley ult.
Okay, guys, okay. Get ready. 2 seconds on Mobley. Okay, do we got G-shield? G-shields up. We're going in 3, 2, 1.
Entrance. Goose.
Close to the tree.
Go to the goose, okay?
Look at this shit. Nice. Good shit. Hawak mo yung tree. Copy. Hawak. Hawak mo yung tree, okay. Fucking run. Naka-relentless ka, Jules. Run. Oh my god.
He can't move. The tree is blocking him.
Hindi ako mag-ult dito sa goose.
Oh no.
God damn it.
Wala pa sana po.
Sabi mo, hawak mo eh.
Ulting.
Okay, just fucking 30
1 minute.
Okay, we recover.
Ulting twin blade.
Now, everybody get out. 1 and 2 get out. All the jungles get out. Who's gonna be left here is gonna be keeping Jules alive. Okay, we're gonna be keeping Jules alive.
Goose. Follow the goose. Jamie, be ready. Team 1 and 3 jungle. Team 1 and 3 jungle. Team 1 and 3 jungle.
Okay,
Left
wait,
side and
no,
right side,
no, no.
okay?
Guys, keep the fucking tree holder alive, man.
Okay.
Go position now, position now.
Who's left here, guys? Oh god, everybody went out.
Good luck, Jamie.
I have it, but I need the healers to be here.
Yeah, we got
And
Mine,
Lions
we got
Roar,
Solid.
because they have twin blades. They have 2, I think.
it's fine.
Can we have someone call out the twin blades and one DPS focus that guy? If we can only.
Same shit, guys, same shit. Same mojo, same mojo. Nice one, Jamie.
We'll try to call out the twin blade user and have you guys focus that person, okay?
Copy.
Nice one, Jamie.
Fuck happened to you?
Huli na.
It's GG.
Patay.
Nice one,
Nice one,
Jay.
guys. Okay, keep.
Nice one, bro.
Okay, jungle. Focus on jungle, okay?
Keep alive.
Focus on
Every
jungle.
fucking thing, every fucking thing. Mobley
Copy.
Toads, I don't care.
Sabrina,
Fucking just keep him
i-execute
alive.
nyo.
Keep
Execute
him
nyo,
alive,
lapit
keep
kayo.
him alive, keep him alive, keep him alive. Gongs, 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 gongs.
Fuck, I mispressed the fucking
ult.
ult.
Okay, we got fucking, oh yeah, they have fucking twin blade ults.
Kuha natin, right side.
Okay, you're alive, you're
Nakuha,
alive.
nakuha.
Go,
Nakuha ba?
go, go,
Hindi
go,
nakuha
go, go,
dun.
go.
Yung ano, yung
Okay, okay.
Okay, now back, okay.
It's okay, it's okay.
And you,
Go fight jungle. Go fight jungle first.
Yes.
Before going back to blue
that's-
goose, okay?
We still moved it a little bit, it's fine.
Mess up the tempo. Go back to goose now. Go back to goose. Go back to goose.
One twin blade, go fee.
Okay, copy. Copy that. Okay, do we have Mobley Dult?
Yes,
Mobley
sir.
Dult? May Mobley Dult ka, Jules? Anti-heals ready? Anti-heals are ready? Okay.
Anti-heal. Heal cut. Near goose.
Okay, Mobley Dult. Okay. Oh, just let's search. Back up.
Just ito.
Nag-desperate search, ah. Care. Paano sa'yo ult?
Back a bit. We're going back in.
Paano sa'yo ult and gong?
Back in 3, 2, 1. Go back in. I need
Ulting din
Mobley
ako.
Dult close to the tree. Mobley Dult
Okay,
close to
okay.
the tree. Alright, Mobley Dult close to the tree. She shoots up.
Ulting.
Going in 3, 2,
Ulting.
1. Now, all close to the tree. All close to the tree. Close to the tree. Anti-heals close to the tree. Anti-heals close to the tree. Fucking get your kills.
Ulting.
Guys, yung goose ah. Guys, yung goose. Left side.
Nice one, guys. Nice one. Look at the fucking
Kill
HP
to.
go down, guys. Nice. Good shit, guys. Good
Nice
shit.
work, guys, nice work.
9%.
Lion sword.
Ulting dito sa goose.
Guys, goose.
Yeah. Left side goose.
Switching na ako.
Okay. Switching, guys. Trig and everyone switching.
Nice one, guys. Nice one. Keep him alive. Keep Buang alive. Keep the Buang alive. Holy shit.
Keep the goose alive. Mid.
Mid goose.
Good shit.
Chi shield.
Good
Give me chi shield.
Shield meron ako.
Okay. Go. Pop.
Ayan.
Shield up.
Fucking shit.
Ulted mid. Mga switching.
Fine. Okay, just keep them up now. Our mission is to
Yeah,
keep
may
them
ready
up
wall
now.
ako.
Just
Our
one nice
mission
work,
is to
guys.
keep them up. Just spam line sword, keep them up.
Switch na din ako.
Jules is grabbing ground. Jules is making ground. Lion sword them up. Nice one, guys. Nice one.
Oh, fuck.
I'm dead.
Anti-heal. Popping
I
TV.
can't
Popping TV.
Pop morale for this.
TV ult.
They're in front of Jules, guys.
Mag-wall ako ah. Ayan, nag-wall ako.
Nice one,
Hold
guys.
them,
Nice
hold
one. Nice one, guys. Good shit.
Casper yung holder
Kapit
ka.
TV ult ako sa holder ah.
Keep them up.
Ready, wall.
They're diving our backline again. Like
Tapos
what
na
they
yung TV
usually
ult sa
do.
holder.
I'm dead.
Kaping ako paano sa'yo ult.
Nagpana sa'yo ult ako.
Fine, guys. It's fine. We're chilling. We don't have
Wala
any
ka.
value for now.
Meron
We
office
don't
yung-
have any value for now.
Stormbreaker.
Copy that.
Stormbreaker ult.
Okay, now 1 minute. We're
Pablock
gonna-
ako.
1 minute, we're going for
Curse,
one,
pablock
guys.
ako.
Okay, get ready.
Yung sa holder.
We're going in. Chi shields up.
Oh, yes,
Chi shields up. We're going in close to the
Mga
tree.
name
In
sa
three,
sa ano ah.
2, 1. Chi shields up and fucking
Moblade
Side.
ult.
Moblade
Moblade ult.
Right side.
Moblade
Para isang nameless.
Get your fucking anti-heals. Get your anti-heals. Anti-heals. Anti-heals, guys. Anti-heals.
Nice work, guys,
Next
nice work.
one.
Nag-wall ako.
Nice.
30 seconds. Shang and Sora.
35 minutes.
Holder
35
dead.
seconds. Okay, move.
Shang and Sora.
Go for boss.
Revive siya.
Everybody go for boss now. 1 and 2, go for boss. Main ball 3, stay here.
Ang dami sila.
Go for boss, guys.
Ano?
Go. Follow. Team 1 and 3 jungle. 1 and 3 jungle.
Going.
1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3 jungle. 1, 2, and 3 jungle.
Right, right.
Coming.
Maiwan sa kuya and
Wait,
other
nice one.
wallers, okay?
Okay,
You guys know.
we're doing the
Kailangan
same thing, guys.
Copy,
We're
copy.
doing the same thing.
Kailangan ko
Okay, let our
mag-execute
chickens
dito.
gamble. Go for fucking camps. Go for camps. Go for
Baka ako lang
camps.
mag-isa dito.
Okay, go for camps, guys. Go for
Sige,
camps.
sige.
Go for camps.
Dito na ako, dito na ako.
Let the chicken gamble. Let the chicken gamble.
Okay, go. We got the left side too. Go back to blue tree now.
I got it.
Nice one. Nice one. Nice one.
You
Nice
are
one.
so handsome. Holy shit, guys. Let's go. Fucking
Go,
go. Go red. Go red. Go red. Go red.
Go, go, go. Go blue tree. Go blue tree now. 1, 2, and 3. Go blue tree.
Sino tong dalawang DPS na kasama ko? Go for camps. Go for camps.
Don't fight there. Don't fight there. Jamie. Don't fight there, okay? Guys need to chill here.
Nice one. And we got a lot of camps off of that as well.
Ready
They use
walls?
one wall.
Mid from mid.
Ready was.
Pero nice na.
Pwede walls ko ah.
Copy,
Ako
copy,
muna.
Ang set.
Okay.
We're gonna go for a wipe
Sa
here,
kuya
guys. We're gonna
muna.
go for a wipe here,
Ready
okay?
din wall
Copy.
We're gonna, okay. Ako muna mag...
Wait for them. Wait for them. Wait for them. Wait for them.
What do you call this? Joji, ikaw mag-anti-heals, okay?
Come in, you come in.
Okay, we're going in. We're going in. G-shields up.
Ready wall. Ready wall.
2, 1. Go in
Ready.
now. Go in now. I'm
Give me
going in.
G-shield. G-shield.
Go to the
G-shield now. G-shield now.
Go to the tree. Anti-heals up. Anti-heals up.
Go, go, go. Setting. Near 3. Near 3.
Mag-mobile ka na, Joji.
Heal cut now. Heal cut now.
Falling ako ah.
Mobile Joji. Mobile Joji. Nice.
Dito na si Ashford.
Anti-heals here. Anti-heals. Nice.
Dito ako.
Get your kills.
Hindi siya makapasok. Nice wall.
Nice one, guys.
Ayun, may holder na.
Bawal ako siyang. Bawal ako nung ano. Agre wall ako. Yung sa harap mo.
Naka-TV ult yan.
Nice one, guys. Nice
Tapi,
one. Holy
nag-wall na
shit.
sa harap.
L and Curse Blood. Focus on the nameless guys.
Close later.
Don't stay on mid.
Sexual.
Desperate Surge. Care. Pana sa'yo ult. Ult. Pana sa'yo ult.
1 and 2.
Saan ako? Sa tree, sa tree, sa tree.
1 and 2, we're going to blue. 1 and 2, we're going to blue. 1 and 2, we're going to blue. 1 and we're going to blue. Run. 1 and 2, we're going to blue. We're going for whites and blue.
Okay.
Main ball 3, just stay there.
Next ball ready.
Wala naman tayong relentless. There's not much you can do there.
No blade.
Okay,
Nila.
go for the
Ay,
nameless again, guys. Go for the nameless. Go for the nameless here, guys. On bot side, guys. Bot side.
Go.
Heal sug. Okay. Kegs on bottom side.
Can you guys tell me sino yung carrier?
Nice one, guys. Nice. Good shit.
Ah,
Good
so
fucking
far
work.
wala.
Okay. Okay.
Nice one, guys. Holy shit.
It's almost like
Dead.
Okay,
Jamie, can you burst Ashburn later?
Go back to red.
When he holds the tree. The tree holder.
Our job is your job
Wipe
is
dito,
done.
wipe
Go
dito,
back to
defense,
red,
ha?
Go back to red. Yeah.
We're coming back with you guys on red. We're coming back with you. 1 and 2 go red. 3 stay.
Baka may mga sneaky bullshit sila.
Yeah. 1 and 2 go red. 1 and 2 go red.
Okay, let's go.
3 go blue.
We don't have funds for relentless, so we're gonna be just slugging this out for a bit. We're gonna be slugging.
Go. Set. Near 3. Ulting.
Okay.
TB pop. Wipe this.
Going in. She should
Wipe.
One. Fucking mobile dot here. Anti-heals up. Get your kills here.
Okay lang dyan sa 3. Okay lang kayo dyan ha.
Holy shit,
Okay.
good kills.
Okay lang,
fuck, crush.
Okay, arabasin nyo boy. Arabasin nyo. Nice.
Get your fucking kills here, guys. Get your kills.
Ito. Puta para member natin to ah.
Good shit.
Nakita ko eh.
Nice one, guys.
Ayos ta.
Get your fucking kills here. Nice.
Putang ina. Galing.
Clear. Now clear them up.
Sa backline kayo. Backline.
Sunod ult nila. Ito yung...
Okay, we are low. Okay, back off, guys. Back off. This is their full 30 now. Just back up a bit. You don't have to get on the roof. Just back up a bit. Kite towards our...
Sige.
Kite towards our side.
Lakad mo Shu. Try namin kumuha.
Nabitawan niya.
Oh, God.
Papunta sila sa
I'm out.
Yun na.
Okay, go.
Sila.
Kaya. Pawa ka mo Shu.
May nagsisneaky papunta sa ano natin. Just kite back.
Guys, trabaho na daw.
Okay, 1 minute on fucking jungle.
May
Okay,
isa?
we're gonna be focusing jungles here, guys. Since we don't have relentless, there's not much we can do here.
Bumalik,
Okay,
sorry.
we're gonna be focusing on jungles. Okay,
Nag-check lang siguro.
main bull 1, we're going for top side red. Main bull 2, you're going bot side red.
Junior up.
Okay? Again, main bull 1,
Nagpo-push back tayo ah. Care lang.
Main bull 2, you're going bot side red.
Ulting TB. Let's try to fight.
There's not much we can do.
Try to fight.
30 seconds, get ready. Okay, now get out. Main bull 1.
Get out.
Bottom.
Out tayo.
That's not our chicken.
20 seconds. Jungle ah. Sora.
They're going
Ayan
for red
siya.
jungle as well.
Actually, let's go. Team 1, 2, and 3, go jungle now.
Yeah, they're going on
Blue jungle, blue
Okay.
jungle. Again.
We have
Let's
defense
go.
chasing them down as well. In ball 3, just stay alive, guys.
Kaso,
Go.
Madami invaders namin sa left side.
Something. I'm helping the other guys.
baka may, ano,
Helping Joji.
pumasok na sa base.
Ulting na ako.
Yan, dito pa ako sa base.
Jogging
Yeah,
sa
okay.
Ay, nandiyan ka ba? Okay.
Wait, contested yung isang ano.
Go back to blue 3. 1, 2, and 3, go back to blue 3. We're going to blue 3 again, Flick.
Uy,
Okay.
kadami na.
Ay, copy.
Pumunta na sila.
Dami.
Ayun na.
We don't. I can't pop heal anymore.
Ayun na, umakit na sa tree.
Ah, dahil dito sa
Galing
left.
ako
Chill
ah.
in groups here, guys. Chill in
Yung
groups.
Yung walls ha.
Relentless. We have
Ayun
relentless.
na, nag-wall na ako. Ito doon si Asborn eh.
May G-shield ba?
Listen up.
Meron
Listen up,
ako.
Okay? We're going for
Pop G-shield. G-shield.
Dory, wait, we're waiting for Dory and Cyber, guys. We're going for back
Pati
off,
build yan.
back off. Get on the roofs. Get on the roofs, guys. Get on the roofs.
TB ult.
Top side.
dapat pa na sa'yo, ult?
Get on the roof on top.
Go.
Get on the roof on top side. We're waiting for everyone. That's not okay. That's desperate search.
Desperate search ha. Care.
Yeah,
Pana sa'yo ult.
Blue. That's on blue, guys. They can handle that.
Oblate ult.
Those guys are big boys now. Okay, now, guys.
Ready.
Okay, ready? Okay, now we're going in. We're going under. Okay, we're going under. Okay, we're going in. In 3, 2, 1. Drop down and kill whoever.
Roll pa PX and
Okay,
update.
G-shields up.
Nalalaw tayo.
Mobilog.
Sa backline ako.
Mobilog kay Joji, sorry.
Backline ka. Lahat ng tanks after setting up,
Antay.
magano na kayo, mag-backline kayo.
Nice.
Hanapin niyo yung mga ano.
Okay, magmo-mobilog ako.
May ready wall.
Mga nameless.
Bro,
yung wala.
Nice one, guys. Now, gong.
Nalulaw tayo.
Gong.
Sige lang, okay lang. Basta di na mamatay.
Okay nga ako heal ah.
Yeah, I'm not casting it red.
Kabila sila.
I'm not casting it red.
Yeah.
May carry. Carry niya.
Fine. Okay, now,
Block
keep
ko,
them
no
going
block.
them out,
Popping
guys.
TB ult sa carrier.
Nice one, guys.
Sige, go.
Wala po.
Second TB ult ako.
Dead.
Ito si Asborn.
Dead. Ulting ako dito.
Go shoot. Run. Naka-relentless ka.
Naka-uniform pala siya.
May wall ready ako.
Yeah, tapos sa
Let's follow up first.
Fine.
May wall na ano eh.
Ashburn's back.
Okay.
Okay.
Nag-wall na ako.
Last one.
Antahil.
Okay.
Sora.
I thought we fucking wiped them.
May hold ako ito ah.
Okay,
Ulting. TB ult on holder. Burst.
Low.
Fine. Make a wall.
Di pa namamatay ha.
Stormbreaker ult.
Make a wall, guys.
Stormbreaker ult.
Ulting TB.
Nice one.
Ulting moblade.
Make a wall and move forward. Push forward. Make a wall, move forward. You don't have to dive in deep. We're just gonna make a wall. We have fucking strong names.
Ulting Moblade.
Ready wall.
Nice one, guys.
Kill the holder. Almost dead.
BLEUR.
Almost dead, guys. Holder.
Okay, guys, just gong them out here. Gong them out here, guys. Nice one, guys. Okay, 6 seconds.
5 seconds to
Okay,
go.
I have mobile in 8.
Up, agad.
6,
Nasa holder. Burst nyo.
4, 3,
Nice work, guys. Nice work.
Dead.
Dead.
Shields up, we're going in. Anti-heals.
Ashburn ready?
Anti-heals here. Anti-heals.
Focus on the nameless, Curse and L. Focus on the nameless, guys.
Nice one. Holy shit.
Backline.
Sige, wag nyo lang ipa-charge, pare. Nananalo tayo, panalo tayo dito, men.
Now, clear these people out.
Copy.
Clear these people out, guys. Clear these people out.
Ayun, dito pala
Don't
sa
let
L.
them
Sa
get
kabila
close
ako
to
L.
Paringua. No.
Kapag may ult kayo, balik lang kayo sa tree if magsiset, okay?
Tago dito. Push them back harder, guys.
Pan ult
Push
ready.
them back harder, guys.
G-shield, I need G-shield.
Meron.
Okay, G-shield now.
Give bunga pa.
Ulting TB. Entrance mid. TB, entrance mid.
Okay, they're not.
Heal cut.
Ayun. Pwede lang yung wall ko. After na.
Holding here, guys. Nice one, guys.
Holder. Focus on the holder, guys. Focus on the holder.
Copy.
You're going to
Okay, we got people from top side. Guys. These are
Yeah,
fan
wala
users. These are fan users.
Okay.
These are fan users. Oh no, this is a twin blade.
Sakto lang.
Gong, healers, use your gongs, ha? Don't forget to use your gongs.
They're just going for buang here, guys.
Stormbreaker ult.
G-shield, I need G-shield.
Holder.
Just gong them out, guys.
Okay. Moblade ult now.
Ult pa.
It's fine.
Moblade
Wall.
ult.
They're using
Nag-golden, no?
Burst nyo holder.
Doon si Asborn.
Dead.
Cancel yung moblade ko sa...
Very interesting. Okay, just back up a bit, guys. Back up a bit. Back up a bit, guys. Don't get in the clump.
No.
Oh,
No help,
Holder.
Guys, ready for fucking jungle. Sorry.
I'm dead.
Fuck me, man. Blue jungle.
Yun,
Blue
nice.
jungle.
Jungle jungle. Sora, Shang. Jungle. Go jungle now, guys. Jungle.
Don't fight on the middle, guys.
Copy.
Travis A.
Hindi ako
Going back
naka-ulti.
daw mali.
Ay, isang
Kaya nag-ult ako.
Shit. Did we get it? Nag-ult pa ako din. Fight, we don't have... Nah, we don't have anything.
Okay. Go back to blue tree. Back to blue tree.
Balik natin. Reorder.
May nagpop-up yun ang timer ni Mary.
Okay, we have
Nawala
Relentless,
ko.
guys. May Moblade Ult ka
Sino
pa,
may
ano?
wall?
May Moblade Ult ka pa.
25 current pa yung ano ko.
I have TV ult. Penge G-Shield.
Okay, get ready.
G-Shield?
We're going for
Anyone?
we're going for one, guys, okay.
3 seconds.
Okay.
3 seconds.
T-shirts up, we're
Okay,
going in
stop.
3, 2,
No.
T-shirts in aim is in ult.
Okay.
Moblade ult.
TV ult holder. TV ult holder.
On the point, Moblade on the point. Moblade on. Look at that wipe, guys. Holy shit, you guys are fucking licking the
Dead. Oh no. Na-revive. Na-rest.
Revive.
Chase him up.
Okay.
Chase him up.
Dalaw tayo,
Low.
Chase him up. Nice, guys.
Low ako.
Panasaya ult. Anyone?
Nice one, guys.
10
Nice.
seconds,
Ano?
10 seconds, wala pa.
We're surviving. It's okay. We're surviving.
Good shit.
I need wall here. I need wall here.
Wala.
Okay.
Third shot.
Ayan,
Pawala.
Good shit, guys. Good
Sige.
shit.
Binu-brute force na nila. Pawal lang. It's okay. Di bago sa atin yan, desperate. Di bago sa
TB
atin
ult
yan.
top. TB ult top shoulder.
Ashburn. Reholder.
Moblade ult.
May
Moblade.
G-shield.
That's the Moblade.
Never mind.
Oh, they can
Dead.
Yeah, ayoko na ko. Pop up.
Don't clamp. Declamp, guys. Declamp, guys. Don't get close to the tree. Get close to the tree. We're making a wall. Don't play their game.
May wall pa. I need some wall. I need more walls.
Don't play their game, guys.
Advance onti. Advance ako onti.
We're making
Advance
a
ako
wall.
onti para di maka-free hit yun
We're
nandito.
making a wall, guys. We're making a wall. Don't
20
clamp.
seconds.
Nice one, guys.
G-shield.
Nice one.
I need G-shield now.
Pull down.
Wala ako. 30 seconds.
Good shit, guys.
Okay.
20 seconds Moblade ult. Alright, copy that. We're going
After
for another
this
wipe
shit,
after
I'm
this then.
TB ulting holder now. Focus holder. Okay, dead.
Now, they're clumping on the tree again, guys. They're clumping
Boys,
on the
all
tree. Okay. We know that. Okay, we're going in. We shield up in 3, 2, 1. Moblade ult.
Why
Okay,
si
okay.
Ashburn
No,
nabuhay?
just in front. No need to get close to the tree. No need to get close to the tree. Just in front.
Nagrelentless ha. Pero nawal. Na-block.
Popping TB ult ako.
I'm looking at you, Shu.
Pop TB ult shoulder.
Okay, they backed off.
What?
Burst
May
na.
anti-heals pa kayo.
Sige. Mamamatay na. Dead.
Moblade ult close to the tree. Here we go, guys. Nice one, guys. Get your kills. Now, fucking anti-heals. More anti-heals here.
Boys, all ya.
Boy ulit.
Get your kills here, guys. Nice one.
Set.
I have it.
Rapping wall ako.
Focus.
Nag-wall ako ah.
We don't have a relentless.
20 seconds wall.
That was just for the blood.
Ayun, hold
Ready,
on
one.
natin. Hold nata.
Stormbreaker ult.
Value, but, getting them wiped will demoralize them.
Moblade ult sa likod.
Okay, ready wall tayo?
Shit.
Ako ready, wall.
Let's not play their game. Let's not play their
Wall
game.
na. Nag-wall na
Do
ako.
not clump.
Copy.
Wala pa kami.
Let them clump. Make a wall, guys. Make a wall. Nice one, guys.
Please, can you guys come here? Ayoko lang sana makalabas ng entrance to.
Kaya... Okay, sige.
Go to
Okay, everybody, 1 and 2, go back to blue. 1 and 2, go back to blue. 1 and 2, go back to blue. 1 and 2, go back to blue.
Ayoko makalabas sa entrance. Punta kayo dito lahat. Lahat kayo dito na.
Going for their nameless.
Wala po.
Ashburn, Ashburn, holder,
We're
Ashburn.
going for their
Shield
nameless,
up.
guys.
Wall,
Go for their nameless. Go for their nameless, guys. Jason is short.
TB ult top.
TB ult. Kay Ashburn.
There's people just on outside. See, look on right side that, top side. Look at top side, guys. Top side. Look at C.
Nice.
He's dead. Aokage on top side, guys.
Boy pa.
Aokage on top side.
Dead.
Aokage on top side.
Let's ulit si
Can see that.
Ashburn.
Nice one. Good shit. Jason
Boy,
is
ulit.
getting macaroni.
Patay ulit.
Nice one, guys. Nice one. Okay. Main boat 3. Get out of bread. And fucking just stop them from here. Get out of bread and just stop them. Stop them here.
Oh, na. White.
Ay, tapos na pala.
Okay, just camp here. 30 seconds. We have no relentless, we have no money. I'm just kidding. There's not much you can do. Like just
Tulong tayo sa 3.
GG's.
Hindi pala. Sorry.
20 seconds.
Wag kayo pumunta red tree dito lang.
hindi ako naka-record.
Ayun na.
I'm gonna kill myself.
Okay, wall up.
Sa Ashboard.
Okay,
Marvin
GG's
pala
guys.
talaga sila, oh.
GG.
Hello Marvin. Ito.
Galing, galing.
Jeez, grabe.
GG's guys.
Then...
Biggies.